InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel. Hi guys! How are you all on the other side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are on our leg 2 or our part 2 of our Zoocobia Fun Zoo adventure here in Clark Freeport, Pampanga. You will see here the other half of the animals and another feeding experience and rides that's included in our treats number 1 or the package that we purchased. Let's get explore together. What are we waiting for? Happy watching! After we feed the monkeys, we are now heading to Sumakay. So we are going to ride a gravity car. This is the bunny world. We are now at the top of the hill, the Zoocobia. Zoocobia is included in our treat number 1 that we purchased a while ago. Zoocobia is the first gravity car in the Philippines. It is a 400-meter down the hill ride with 3 pinpoints and is patterned after the luge ride in Sentosa, Singapore. This is not my first time I ride luge. My first was we were in Queenstown, New Zealand. Ride. So, ride. They call it. How was it? Okay lang? Nag-bump ako dito sa corner eh.
Ay, nag-bump ka dito tayo?
Dito. Ang bilis eh.
Buti hindi ka dumiretso din sa exit eh.
Hindi naman. Ayan, so we are going to another part. Masaya, nag-bump ako kanina. We tried that in New Zealand, in Queenstown. So that's not my first time riding a cart, moving cart like that. So now we are in the camel horses, and we have a feeding here, animal feeding, guys. Welcome to the barn. Barn is where many animal-related activities happen. Experience feeding farm animals such as goats, sheep, horses, and camels. This is included in our package that we purchased earlier. Nakikita niyo dyan si camel, si dog, and si sheep, plus yung dalawang horses. So, nandyan sila. Pwede kayong mag-animal feeding sa kanila lahat. They will eat grass po. So, ayun yung kasama dun sa aming package for today na kinuha namin. My brother chose to ride a horse. So Kuya will assist Jax. Jax will ride a horse. Okay, hop! Hop!
Swing a lot. Left first.
Hi, picture pala. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, horse! Jax also chose to ride a horse. Okay, here there's a camel. You can ride a camel, but so poor. Hello, camel. Good afternoon. Good morning. You can also pick to ride a camel. It's up to you. You have a 4 choices. So, very nature po. Ayan, meron silang giants. 3 slides there, pero hindi siya pwedeng slidean. And you chose to ride a sing. Me chose to ride a sing. Also have a third floor where you can see tables and chairs, plus there's an overlook view from outside. guys, our leg 2 or part 2 of Zoocobia Fun Zoo for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching and you learned something today. Plus, you had fun today. Once again, if you are near in Clark, Pampanga or a few hours away in Pampanga, please do visit Zoocobia Fun Zoo. I do highly recommend Zoocobia Fun Zoo because it's family friendly, and of course by visiting them we are helping these people who are working there, especially the animals. They need us po. Tangkilikin po natin ang sariling atin, support each other in this time of pandemic. They are open. I will put their social in my description box down below and you can check them out. Anyway, highway, thank you for watching and thanks for supporting my videos. Mega love shout out to each one of you who are watching now. Thank you from the bottom of my heart po. Talamus, please like if you enjoyed my video today and please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And ciao lang. That's it guys. Ayan, interview natin yung kapatid ko, si Andy and si Jack. So, malalaman natin kung ano sagot nila. Ano naman masasabi mo, sir?
Great experience. Especially yung pagsakay ng horse. Kasi wala namang horse sa Manila eh. Si Jack first time na sumakay ng kabayo dito sa Clark. Tapos yung yung place maganda. Walang less hassle. Yun nga lang yung pagpunta nga lang dito. Hindi pa fully talaga 100% na naayos ng Zoocobia yung daanan. Medyo lubak-lubak pa pero overall maganda yung lugar.
Animals?
Maraming animals.
Ano masasabi mo sa giant swing?
Nakatakot kasi feeling mo gaganon ka. Yun lang. Parang maano ka, mahuhulog ka. Una mo ka. Ganon.
Ayan.
I enjoyed feeding the animals. The birds, the ostrich, the horses, the camels, the goats. I think there's something else as well, the monkeys.
Yeah, how's your horse riding?
Actually quite gentle.
You like it?
Yes. The last time I went horse riding I ended up with sore legs for days. So this was a lot more gentle.
Okay. Thank you, Jack.
No problems.